morning.
Good morning. What'd you think?
Well, the floors are looking great. What are we gonna do about this? Really big hole.
This used to be an old floor furnace.
Yeah.
Right in the middle of the hall.
Do you think we should fill it in, or are we gonna get a pretty grate?
We can fix it.
Cool.
First of all, I'm getting my floor joists in here, and then I'm gonna put a piece of plywood in, spline it back in with some red oak.
Yeah.
You never know it's here.
I love that. But there's like another huge hole.
We've got another problem. I'll show you what's going on.
It looks like there's a car engine sitting in the hole.
Yeah, I've been trying all morning to get it out, beating on it, banging, and...
Is it a furnace? I mean, we're not using it anymore,
it's an old floor furnace. We don't need it no more. I think it may be still hooked up.
Oh.
Yeah.
We can call plumbers and get them to disconnect it, get some help pulling it out, get it out of your way so you can finish your job.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this splice in is looking good.
Yeah, got us a little transition. Of course, we got two different kinds of wood.
Yeah.
Yellow pine, red oak.
Is there any way we can match the stains so they feel continuous as much as possible?
It's gonna be hard because the pine is gonna be darker than the red oak.
This is a little yellower, this is a little redder.
So we may have to put a little stain in this, you know, play with it,
Yeah.
trying to get it as close as possible.
It's gonna look good, I think.
I
I'm
think
not
so
worried
too.
about it.
Yeah.
How are you? What are we gonna do about this?
We've got something here.
Yeah. Hey. You gonna catch him? Ah, you got him!
Got him. I got him. Let's let him go.
Oh, little birdie.
My laundry cabinet situation.
It's huge. It's as big as an armoire.
It is as big as an armoire. Totally easy moving in. Are these walls wet?
Yep.
Yep. I just backed into that one. I don't know if... It wasn't heavy, just too big.
Well, I think that your size skews your perspective.
Made it. Now, let's go straight into the bathroom. Good. Jonathan kicked over that bucket of...
Jonathan did?
Mm-hmm.
I got it. You just walk.
Obstacle course.
Oh, man.
And he scuffed up the doors.
I'm glad the floor was covered because the floors are done.
It fits. Y'all, this is beautiful. I mean, that is the coolest thing ever. She's gonna love that.
I think so.
I'm excited to see it once all the lighting and the mirror and the faucets.
This is gonna be a great
Yes.
spot right here.
Yes.
Okay, so you measure.
It just needs to be 1.5 inches from the wall to the edge of the tape.
Okay.
The porch had AstroTurf on it, and we pulled that off, and so now it's been painted, but it just feels like an opportunity where we could add something a little more visually interesting.
I wanted to get an outdoor rug, but isn't it just a nightmare to keep an outdoor rug clean?
Yes.
I just wanted to have something that gives it a little refinement, that kind of,
A little personality.
yeah, that talks with how these handrails that have so much personality. And I think that this stripe pattern around the edge, they're gonna feel really simpatico.
Yeah. I like how we got a gallon of paint for this project.
We could have used a pint. This house on the outside was just pitiful. It was so bland. But I could see that it would be the perfect size house for her and that it could work with a few minor adjustments to the layout and make it feel fresh somehow. Bring it on. And
Yep.
That is a big rocking chair.
Ain't this,
is.
this is a good rocking chair.
It looks like a comfortable one.
Let me show you this.
Yeah, Mallory and I could both get in.
Listen.
That's old-timey right there. But listen,
Y'all come on up. Sit a spell.
you didn't say anything about our stripe.
Because he thought it was a rug.
He thought it was a rug. That's why he didn't even
I didn't even notice it.
Didn't it turn out good?
I love this stripe.
Okay, well, go
Where's
get
the other chair?
Yeah, go get the other chair.
No problem.
All right.
All right, y'all.
Thank you, baby. Okay, we're gonna put it right here.
Okay.
You know what you didn't even notice?
What?
There was a huge hole in the floor right here.
A hole?
Yeah,
That mic.
yeah, like it never happened.
It looks great.
Yeah, it does. Look at this. You're not gonna believe how cool
Oh,
this is.
snap.
Yes,
My dream. Oh, my goodness.
that's actually pretty brilliant. Isn't this bed beautiful?
It's amazing.
This belongs to Miss Candace, so all we had to do was go grab it and move it here. She said we were welcome to use any of her furniture, so I stole it.
Well, it's really, really beautiful.
I
think this is done.
Well, I just realized, like, today that I never got any cafe curtains. And it's a little exposed to the neighbors right there, so napkins!
Girl, you know I love this project.
Look at these little clippy curtain rings.
Very handy.
If they were too long, I suppose you could just hem them.
And what I love about this project is that it's super inexpensive.
Yeah, this was like $5.
It's really cute.
Especially with the sink.
I love that sink.
Look how high tech we are on this old sink.
This kitchen in general is just amazing. All right, good job.
Miss Candace and Amy are coming by. I don't know how she could walk in this house and not feel at home.
I mean, the house is really comfortable. I like it. All right, this is the Keller house.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Oh, and I love the color.
Yeah?
I do. It turned out great. Oh, it's perfect. Is this the same house? I want to cry. I know. And the porch.
I know.
You can actually see the porch.
And no more ugly awning. Yay.
Oh, man. I absolutely love it. Beautiful.
It was just as bland as it could possibly be
It
before.
really was.
And now it feels fresh, welcoming, charming. I especially love the Chippendale pattern and the railing.
Yes.
Ben and the
Yes,
guys
I do
did.
too. I love that pattern.
Oh, it's gorgeous. It's perfect.
Good.
It's totally transformed.
It really is.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Erin.
Yeah?
You have outdone yourself.
Y'all come in.
Yeah, come on in.
This is your house.
It's gorgeous. Yes. My table, my dad's table.
I love this table.
This table was in my dad's office for many years.
Beautiful.
Yes.
And doesn't it feel good with the windows?
Oh,
The
yes.
windows are so great.
Oh, and the blinds and the curtains. Oh,
Yeah, step over here with Candace.
Look
I'm
at
gonna show
this.
you all
This is magic.
This
Stand
is
over here. Look at this view. Like, isn't that just the
Oh,
most
man.
charming?
patterns.
I love the screen door.
It's an original.
It's awesome.
And you can see how the light plays through
I'm
the...
just kind of obsessed with the shadow pattern on the floor
Yes.
of that door.
Yes. And I love the colors.
Good.
Yeah.
It's exactly what I
Good.
hoped for.
It's perfect.
Just.
I mean, in the dining room, it's just so big now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it'll be so great for entertaining now, too.
Come on in, explore it a little bit.
Oh, my. Oh, Erin.
Right?
Oh, this kitchen was so atrocious.
Yeah.
And now it's amazing.
It's one of the worst kitchens we've seen.
It was bad.
Look how it
was.
opened up both rooms.
I know. Opening up this wall made a huge difference.
Oh, man, it really did.
No more door.
Yeah.
No
Yay.
more
crazy.
door. It's still a small kitchen, but there's a lot here. We did a lot with a little.
And I love the counter.
I just wanted a granite that would feel really crisp and cool. And the most elegant thing, I think, is that little moment of vintage in your original sink.
Oh,
So these floors were under the flooring that was in here, but we really like the way these
It's beautiful.
blended.
It's just a little of a rustic moment in an otherwise very dressy and refined little kitchen.
Yeah.
And I like that balance of the two.
I
yes.
do too.
We've modernized the past.
Yeah,
There you go.
that's what it feels like.